Welcome to the third video of GTIA's video campaign series. This video is about Georgia Tech's College of Engineering. Engineering is the most popular discipline here at Tech. There are 8 departments under the College of Engineering. In this video, we have students from each department sharing their experiences as an engineering major at Tech.
I chose to come to Georgia Tech because I was interested in industrial engineering, and Georgia Tech happens to be the #1 school in the US for industrial engineering. So I came, I visited the campus, and it was beautiful.
I chose to come to Georgia Tech because it is one of the most prestigious universities not only in America but all over the world. Besides extremely high-ranking programs in almost all academic disciplines, it also provides one of the best opportunities to learn things outside of the classroom, and that was the best I could have asked for.
Biomedical engineering is really interesting because it's about creating living technology that can affect people's lives in a positive manner.
I chose MSc because of the versatility of the major. It's almost limitless in a sense.
My research experience has been working on an autonomous wheelchair, trying to use a motorized wheelchair body and get it to map a floor of a building.
I did a co-op with a small company in Georgia itself, and that taught me a lot about how civil engineering works and what I could do with my degree later on once I graduate.
I took one that was interdisciplinary between business and engineering. So people came to the class with their patents or ideas that they wanted to get patented, and we would do a business analysis on it, but from an engineering perspective. And through that, we got to learn about a lot of new cutting-edge technologies, and it was a really fun and interesting class that taught me things outside of my major.
One of my favorite classes here that I've taken is called Invention, and it was basically a class where we got to learn more about the kind of design process that goes into thinking about inventing something. And that was how I got interested in industrial design, which then later became my minor.
One of the most important reasons that I chose civil engineering was because I wanted to go back to my home country, India, and also to similar developing countries, and help with the development of infrastructure in those countries. Apart from that, I chose civil engineering because I like to stand on top of tall buildings and look down.
Tissue engineering, where you use actual cells to create living tissue that can be used surgically to help people.
I think the international community here is very welcoming, and when I came in, the people that I met were so interesting, so engaging, and so willing to learn about yourself and your culture.
The international community at Georgia Tech is very diverse, and they're very proud to display and share their culture. Every week at Tech, there's always some event where an international part of the international community is demonstrating some festival or some practice or some just food, and it's really interesting and really fun to go around and experience all of that.
So be sure to like, share, and comment to stay up to date.